Hello, boys and girls. So today for maths, we're going to be doing some work on our numerals. So there's three numerals you know now. We have 1, 2, and 3. And when we're writing these, we talk about the characteristics. So let's look at the characteristics of the numeral 1. It's just one straight line down, isn't it? And if we were to practice writing our numeral 1, we would start at the top and just do one line down. For our numeral 2, there's two lines. There's one curved line and one straight line. And if we were to write the numeral 2, we would start at the top, we go around and down, stop, and then and for our numeral 3, we start at the top again, we go around and around again. And so there's two curved lines in numeral 3. So let's just look at that again. With numeral 1, we have one straight line. With numeral 2, we have one curved line and one straight line. And for numeral 3, we have two curved lines. Okay, so let's play a little game. I have a numeral in my head, and I'm going to tell you what the characteristics of this numeral are. And I want you to tell me what numeral it is. Okay, so the first one has two curved lines. Yes, you're right. It's the numeral 3. Well done. Okay, the second numeral I have in my head has one straight line. That's an easy one. The numeral 1. Super. Okay, and the last one has one curved line and one straight line. You're right. It's the numeral 2. Excellent work, boys and girls. Now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to practice all your numerals, making big ones. Well, that's a small one, isn't it? And making big ones and small ones. Do a small numeral 2, big numeral 2, and a small numeral 1, big numeral 1. And you keep on practicing because practice makes perfect when we're doing all our writing. Isn't that right? Excellent. Well done, boys and girls.